What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kierra. So in today's video I'm gonna show y'all how I achieve this look right here. So if you guys want to do the same, keep watching. I've already done my skincare and I've done my brows off camera, so I know if you guys can look up close, my skin isn't the same as last week. I'm trying some new skincare just so I can review for y'all, and
just say this is not going as planned.
So I'm just staying back here. Y'all stay at a distance, you know what I'm saying? Zoop, zoop. I'm gonna start with the Covergirl primer. Rub that out. See, I'm breaking out on my cheeks, so it kind of sting. Oh my goodness, it was horrible. That hurt. After priming my face, I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline. I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Insta Rewind. So I'm gonna use my Black Radiance setting powder. And I'm gonna, of course, use my Black Radiance palette and contour. And I apologize for my hair, y'all. I mean, like,
I've been a real lazy natural.
Super lazy. I was supposed to wash my hair like a while ago, and I didn't even do it because
I didn't feel like it.
So this is gonna be a really simple look. It's not gonna be too much color. I'm gonna take some eye primer from NYX. So I'm gonna use this palette, a little cheapy palette, but the colors are on here super pigmented. So I'm gonna go with this orange right here, and it's the color Warmth. Cause it's hot outside in Houston, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so I'm gonna go in and line my eye. I've already added my magnetic liner from GLAMNETIC yellow instead. I don't like the way this looks, so I'm gonna go ahead with the yellow and okay. I see you, yellow. I see you, yellow. Yellow looks way better than that glitter. Don't know what I was thinking with that. Oh, and this is the NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. So all right. She is as straight as she can be. I got milk eyes. You know how like when you drink milk and you got that mustache? My eyes got mustaches. It just looks like that. I'm gonna go ahead and line the bottom one as well with my Tarte liner. Okay. So I've already added the eyeliner on the bottom. So let me go ahead with my highlighter. Now that I let that eyeliner dry, I'm going to go ahead and put on my GLAMNETIC lashes. Use the same blush, Carolina. And do my dots. Okay, this is what I got. It's very I don't know, what do you guys think? This definitely look like anime eyes. Did not intend it for it to go this way, but it's still kind of cute. I'll be back. I'm gonna go take this down and do my hair. Alright guys, this is the finished look right here. I did forget to put on my liquid lipstick, but it's the same as before. It's the Color Me Cosmetics lip. There we go. The Color Me Cosmetic liquid lip in She's Nude. And I just lined it with Chestnut by MAC, but this is the finished look right here. I was gonna have my hair down, but I was like, maybe it's gonna take too much from the actual look itself. But yeah, this is the finished look. Down in the comment section, what do you guys think, and let me know what else you guys want me to try. Anyways, that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could